AMC stock update. Okay guys, so I'm going to make a quick video. So in my previous video about AMC, I basically explained our bullish thesis on why we're getting into AMC. Okay, Ray Dalio's Bridgewater bought a stake in AMC. The price was oversold. It was trading at a low RSI. So now it looks like that's starting to pay off a bit. Okay, so when I last uploaded a video on AMC yesterday, okay guys, the stock was trading at around, $12. Okay, so the stock was up 10%. Okay, it's even up after hours as well. So if you guys got in, you made a quick 10% gain. A lot of those calls really printed. Okay, so a lot of those call options were up like 50-80%, and I think this is just the beginning, guys. So I have some more exciting bullish news for you. So I'm gonna make this video pretty short. I think I explained my whole thesis in the previous video. So moving forward, unless there's a really big change in the sentiment or something like that, I'm gonna try to keep these videos a little bit shorter. I know you guys are busy and have a lot of things going on. Okay, so we've bounced off quite nicely from a technical standpoint. We bounced quite nicely off of that $12 support. Pretty big volume, okay, 38 million shares volume being traded. And as you can see here, AMC is moving up nicely. Okay, it's up around 13% over the last 5 days. So let's kind of update you guys on the numbers and everything. Okay, so give you guys an update on AMC. I hope you guys can see this. So right now we're looking at currently, okay, the short interest is around 21% with around 111 million shares, okay, currently short, and around 153 million shares on loan. So the utilization is sitting at 100% as well. So guys, this means that there are literally over 100 million shares out there short. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for that catalyst to basically squeeze this stock up as the shorts have to buy the stock to cover. So that's where we're looking on this explosive move up, and that's one of the reasons why I believe the stock moved up so much, just 10% in 1 day. So if we take a look at the institutional ownership, a lot of interesting institutional activity here. Okay, Goldman Sachs, okay, they actually increased their long position here. And then a few other companies increased their position as well. Some companies, okay, disclosed they sold all of their shares, but kind of a mixed bag here. Okay, Harris Wealth Management, they added to their stake. It looks like Citadel actually dumped their stake. Okay, so Citadel dumped their stake. This other company here, Paribas, they dumped their stake. Lido Investors dumped their stake as well. Well, what's really interesting here, guys, is that Goldman Sachs, okay, they actually added to their stake. Okay, so there's been a little bit of activity here. Some companies have been buying, some companies have been selling, and things like that. And it also looks like that Goldman Sachs has a put here to kind of hedge their position as well. But overall, there's been plenty of institutional buying. This is a huge institutional buy. Okay, D.E. Shaw Company, they added to their stake, massive stake. Okay, they increased their stake by over 132%. So the big money is coming in. Okay, some hedge funds and institutional investors are dumping, but quite a few are adding to their positions. Okay, so like I said, this is all we need for the stock to squeeze up. So far, so good. We're up 10%. That's an excellent green day. A pretty nice green volume, and we're moving up quite nicely off that resistance at $10. So like I mentioned in previous videos, we're really trying to see if we can hit that $15 mark. We should be able to probably hit that hopefully by the end of the week, and over the long term, we're looking to sell at 30. So like I said, guys, make sure you check out things like call options. You can go long shares as well. Like I said, do your own research. This is not financial advice. I'm just kind of giving you guys a straightforward, no BS, a realistic, price target, and kind of the way I'm personally going to be handling AMC. So I'm definitely going to be jumping in with some of those calls. I'm going to be trading calls expiring at the end of the week, and then I'm going to be holding calls expiring a month from now, hoping that I can kind of catch this run up as the shorts have to cover. Now, the important thing is that the short interest is 21%, which is a huge short interest, and over 111 million shares short. So we know that the shorts are going to have to cover these shares. Okay, the prices are going to move up. I really believe we've bottomed. If you guys check out my previous videos, I talked about how I believe the stock market has bottomed. So if we kind of move away quickly from AMC and we take a look at ICE, okay, ICE, that's the NASDAQ, we can see here that perhaps I was correct. Now, I won't know for sure, but I told you guys right around here, May 13th, May 16th, the market is bottomed, and it looks like the NASDAQ is approaching over 12,000. So if the NASDAQ can move over 12,000, I think that's a huge sign that the market is bottomed. And then we can take a look at the SPY as well. So that's the S&P 500. We have the similar movement. The SPY just moved over 400. So, like I said, we have all these positive things. We have institutions buying in, Goldman Sachs adding to their stake. Of course, Bridgewater's bought in. We have short interest is high at 21%, over 111 million shares short. And the stock is moving up. And of course, we mentioned earnings was pretty good. AMC had their best quarter in the last 2 years. So all cylinders are firing. This looks like that this is a great time to pump. Now, I'm not exactly sure how high or how fast the pump is going to go. But if we take a look at the RSI here, we can see that the RSI is just sitting at 38. So I wouldn't even consider selling until we would hit an RSI of like 60 or 70. That's really when I think a lot of people are going to be rushing into the stock. So that seems like a really good point to kind of gauge. Remember, look at that RSI. A lot of times when I'm trading, if I can't figure out a time to get out of a position, I'll just simply sell when I see the RSI pop. So anytime you see the RSI skyrocket so high here, that's probably a decent time to just sell, even if you're not really sure if the price is going to go much higher. Like I said, this is just an indicator. This is not 100% foolproof, but if you're buying, basically, when the RSI is low, as you saw here with AMC back in March, and then you sold here, you did pretty well. So I think RSI is my favorite indicator. It's really easy to understand. You guys can easily use it. This is the current software I'm using here is TradingView, but you guys can set up the RSI on apps like Webull, Fidelity, or any app you're using, even Yahoo Finance. Okay, they have the RSI too on their charts. So like I said, guys, things are looking good. Let's see what happens. I'm about to wrap up this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We're up 10%. That's awesome. Let's see if we can have another green day, already up around 3% after hours. So this stock looks like it's quickly moving to $15. And I think once AMC hits $15, I think that's when a lot of the other money will start piling in, because people don't like buying dips. Okay, they like buying stocks that are moving up, and I guess that's just human nature. So that's just how things are. So like I said, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more AMC updates. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So until next time, take care.